The reason some Canva layouts instantly feel high-end is because the framing controls the entire mood of the design. Today, how to create cinematic storytelling frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by inserting one tall rectangular frame slightly above center and place your main image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for dramatic focus. Add two smaller supporting frames near opposite corners to create balance and narrative flow. Select the background and apply a dark muted gradient using charcoal, warm gray, or deep beige tones. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle layered depth.